How to delete Dropbox account. Now, before we get into this, I want you to understand that this is irreversible. Okay? There is no grace period where you are temporarily, your account has been suspended or something like that. No, you get permanently deleted. So if you're okay with that, come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on settings. Okay? Now, once this loads up, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Go ahead on General, scroll all the way down, and then you will see this option that says Delete Account. Delete my Dropbox, okay? Your data will also be gone forever, so before you do this, go ahead and back up anything you need. Download any files that you actually need downloaded, because once you delete your account, it will be gone forever. So go ahead and click on Delete Account. And then right here, what you need to do is just enter your password, right? And then choose an option while you want to leave. It doesn't really matter. You can just say, maybe I don't need the extra space anymore. And if you want, you can click on this and add more details. Otherwise, just go ahead and click on delete permanently. And remember, this is not reversible.